Guangzhou Lichuang Tin Solder Manufacture Company Limited was established in Guangzhou in 2006. Our production base was established in Jiangmen in 2006. Over the past 11 years, we have been committing to the R&D, manufacturing and selling of welding materials. The company mainly produces solder bar, solder wire, solder ring, and all the products have passed ISO 9001 Quality System Certification and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification. And all lead-free products conform to RoHS standard. Our products mainly used for the soldering of precision instruments, electrical and electronics, wave soldering and circuit board elements, and aviation. Besides, we're devoting ourselves into manufacturing and developing other welding materials with applications in various fields. We have been developing aluminum copper and aluminum flux cord solder materials, and the company has obtained 17 patents of invention. In the future, we will uphold the enterprise aim of technology leading, continuous innovation, and keep improving our products and services. Finally, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to the old and new customers who have supported and helped us. To serve you is our long-time expectation. We will in the most expeditious way deal with your phone, fax, message, email, and other various kinds of problems to provide the wholehearted service for you.